naalis yung mga boys. Kasi today yung pre-wedding photoshoot ni Harsh. So sasama si Abhit. Yung babiyahiin nila is 2 hours. Kung saan sila mag-photoshoot and kung saan malapit yung bride to be. Yung aking brother ikakasal na. Alis na sila. Yung mga outfits ni Harsh. And water you need?
Water will buy.
वो तो बोटल्स हो जाएगा कल चालू नहीं गया कल चालू नहीं कर रहा है
अरे इधर ही ठीक टाइम लग गया
Bye. Enjoy! Ito yung order for today. Actually, medyo marami-rami yung order na to. So, kahapon pa kami magka-chat ni ate. Filipina. Yung kanyang order is yung ating large na organza na fabric. Actually, yung order niya una is yung Diwali collection and yung mga bago naming products. So, ito meron na siyang order. So, ito yung kanyang order. And meron siyang additional na 5 set ng same large size din. So, we have different colors ng aming organza na size large. So, 5 to. So, ipack ko lang siya and linisin. So, today we can send this also. Sobrang malaking order na to para sa amin. Ilang set? So, 9 set ng scrunchies and yung aming clutchers. May isa akong video na yung order sa akin. Parang 5 sets ata or 6 sa Facebook. And sa caption ko is parang something na big order. Yung comment niya is malaking order na yan para sa'yo yung ganyan. 5 packets. Actually, yes. Para sa aming mga small business owners. Naps. Business owners na tayo ngayon. So yeah, sa mga small business owners na kagaya namin, pag may order sa amin na more than 1, 2, 3, parang feeling namin, big order na yon. So, how much more if umabot ng 5 or 6 packets yung order sa amin. Sobrang laki na yun, diba? And it's something to be proud of. So, we are very thankful sa mga bumibili ng aming product. We are really happy na kahit pa paano meron tayong sales, diba? And we are just starting. Hopefully, someday, lumaki din tayo, diba? We are just enjoying the moment and appreciating what we are having right now. We should be grateful sa mga bagay na dumarating sa buhay natin. Big or small na blessing, it's still a blessing. So, regardless kung isang pack lang ng scrunchie yung mabenta namin, or 2 or 3, it's a blessing para sa amin. Pack lang natin. Kagabi nag-overtime sa Abhi kasi nag-edit siya ng para sa listing namin. So, meron ditong mga clutchers sa kanyang table.
Jeremy sat on a blue box, read him some of my new poems. Delilah snapped the shutter on the new camera. We were frozen. Old statues taking.
Ito lahat ng order ni ate. Kapag mayroon kami maraming order talaga, guys, nilalagay ko siya na ganito kasi sobrang nakakataba ng puso. And thank you so much kay ate na umorder nito if ever she's watching this video. Plano ko para sa aming tanghalian ni Mishka, bihon. Ito ako dito. Bihon. Pero gusto kong kumain ng bami. Ano yung bami? Mix yung bihon tsaka yung pansit. So, plano ko na lumabas para bumili ng pansit. Inisip ko if bibili ba ako ng chicken. Kasi kailangan ko pang maglakad. Pag pansit lang yung bibilhin ko sa labas, dito malapit lang. Yung chicken, dito sa kabilang side, medyo malayo. Sabi ko, vegetarian na bami yung lulutuin ko. Para mabilis din akong matapos. Ito yung nabili ko na pansit. I only have 30 minutes to prepare for our lunch. So, hindi na ako dumiretso dun sa bilihan ng manok kasi mas matatagalan ako sa pagluluto and maglalakad pa ako ng medyo mahaba-haba. So, vegetarian itong aking pansit. Anyway, kompleto yung aking gulay. Bawiin na lang natin sa gulay. Para na akong si Flash. Sobrang bilis ng oras. Lagay ko na itong pansit para sabay-sabay na silang maluto. Luto na to, guys. Iba pa din yung pansit natin. Yung alam mo yung parang merong konting sabaw, tas lapuyot siya. Okay na yan. Tatakpan ko na lang and magsundo na ako ng anak. She is a cat. She became a cat. What's in your hand? What's in your hand? What's that? Your name. What mom asked you?
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? अभिषेक मिश्रा।
Sabay lang kami umuwi ng isa niyang pinsan. Si Papa yung taga-sundo ng kanyang mga apo.
Now they're cold. They're cold. Not cold. My cold. You know, I find Bova gave my daddy so many money and I put in my piggy bank. Huh? Nothing. What? Nothing. You saying something?
You like meaty because our noodles is not spicy, right? It's good.
Yeah.
It's long. Ako lang dito ngayon mag-isa, guys. Si Abhi on the way pa lang sila pa uwi dito. Kasi late na sila natapos sa kanilang photoshoot. And si Mishka andun sa taas. Doon siya sumasagot ng kanyang homework kasi si Mami yung nagtuturo sa kanya. Actually, yung mga bata, yung mga pinsan niya, si Mami talaga yung nagtuturo most of the time ng kanilang mga homework. Kasi si Mami, guys, dati siyang preschool teacher. So, walang problema kung siya yung magtuturo ng homework ng mga bata. Kaya lang, pag yung tatlo magkakasama at sumasagot ng homework, ang tagal matapos. Pero hinayaan ko si Mishka na dun siya sumagot sa lola niya para ma-feel din minsan ni Mami ba na kailangan siya ni Mishka. Or may nagagawa siya para sa apo niya. Never naman siyang nag-aalaga kay Mishka. Or kahit gusto man niya na mag-alaga kay Mishka, minsan ang dami niyang ginagawa. Or ako madalas iniisip ko talaga yung dalawang bata na inaalagaan niya. Tapos idadagdag ko pa si Mishka. So ayoko yung mas madagdagan pa yung pasanin niya sa buhay. And habang magtitiklop ako dito ng mga damit na natuyo ngayong araw, manood tayo ng movie. ilang araw na to na ulit-ulit yung kanyang suot. Kasi ballerina daw siya. But let me see. How does ballerina dance? Oh, nice. Wow! Very good, Mishi. Very good, my baby. What is the time now?
What is this, mommy?
10.
What is this? Mommy, what
It's 10 and kadarating lang nila ni Daddy. Meron siyang dala fucking flower. Daddy, bouquet of flower.
This is litchi, mommy.
You get
This is
it?
litchi.
Is it?
Yeah.
Flower. Pasalubong ni Daddy. What is that? What is it?
Litchi.
It's just flower.
No,
It's litchi.
it's not. Is it?
Yes, peachy.
But brown.
Yeah, it's imported.
Is it?
Right?
No, this is... Is it?
Yeah.
And then, meron siyang isang plastic na dala.
Flower.
Fish. Meron siyang pasalubong na fish. All of this, Daddy? Different?
Two types are there. One is gravy. Gravy, if you want, you can use it. Otherwise, transfer it in bowl and keep it in there.
Okay. So, how was the photo shoot?
Good.
Really?
I'm tired.
Tiring?
Tiring is so many places you have to walk, go here and there. So for that.
This one, Louis.
No, that's okay.
Thank you.
Daddy, can you open this, please?
Ask mommy.
Oh, can you open this?
No, this is not lychee. This is different one, huh?
Can you open, mommy? This is so good now. And this one is for daddy. Because you want to take pictures, I will give one to daddy.
I can cook gobi for you tomorrow for school.
Bobby,
Huh?
yes.
Sige na, sige na.
See.
Bumili sila doon, yung mga kasama niya. Sila ni Harsh kasi sobrang fresh ng cauliflower. How much, Han? 10 or 15 rupees?
Yeah. Local vendors were selling.
Fresh na fresh talaga siya. Diba? Let's open yung fish na
Big
dala
boss,
natin.
daddy, big boss.
We are already late. The moment we will be for the photo shoot, and wherever we are going, there is no food because of tourist place. They are not allowing any food. We have eaten at 6 o'clock.
Wow. Okay, wash your hands first. So, ito yung dala ni Abby, guys. Merong maliliit na fried fish and ito naman katla fish. Tapos merong kasamang gravy. If gusto mong kumain ng with gravy, ikaw na lang yung mag-mix. So, ito fried fish. I think kakain kami ni Mishka.